In this video, I will show you how to delete your account in Mobile Legend. Launch the Mobile Legend app on your device. Wait for the game to load until you reach the main lobby. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. On the left side, you will see multiple tabs. Tap on Account. On the right side, you will find three options: Account Center, Switch Account, Advanced Server. Tap on Account Center. Locate the Cancel Account option and tap on it. Browser page will open, displaying important information. Read through the terms if needed, then tick the box that says, I have carefully read and meet the conditions for account cancellation. Tap on Next. You will be asked to select the platform linked to your Mobile Legends account, like Facebook, Google Play, or other platforms. Choose the account type you want to cancel and log in when prompted. Once logged in, the screen will show your account details and linked characters. Tap on your account and all linked characters will be automatically selected. Scroll down and tap Next. Carefully read through the confirmation page and tick all required checkboxes. Tap Confirm to cancel. Account deletion takes up to 30 days to be permanently removed from the Mobile Legends server. Once deleted, all your data will be erased and cannot be recovered. Your account will no longer be visible or accessible to anyone. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Mobile Legends account. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.